Hey y'all, Wendy here from Around My Family Table. I write the food blog Around My Family Table. I've been doing that for like 13 years and I've been on a ketogenic diet for the last two. We've never met. I married my high school sweetheart almost 25 years ago. We have two kids, 18 and 13, and we are headed out on a cruise. And I thought I would take this as a chance to show you what I'm packing for me in terms of food. Yes, cruises have unlimited food, but I don't trust it. So I'm taking a lot of my own stuff. And so on the cruise, I won't do any of their sugar free stuff. I won't do any desserts. I won't do any fruit. It'll mostly be meat and vegetables plus the stuff I'm taking. So I thought I would take this time to show y'all. Here we go. Here's what I'm taking. Here's a quick little peek at everything I'm taking. Now, I won't be taking all of the boxed. I will take out some and just put it in a baggie, but let's start with my favorite. I never travel without my keto chow. And so here's the selection that I'm taking. Gotta have blueberry pie, red licorice, pina colada, strawberry, and key lime because we are going to the Caribbean and I thought those sounded great. Oh, peaches and cream. And then I also take a bunch of disposable cups with straws so that I can easily use them and make them up for wherever we're going. I will be using my shaker bottle. I'll get some butter when we get to town and then I will make it up. I'll probably do another video on how I do my keto chow when I'm traveling. Also, I'm going to take a new container of electrolyte drops just to make sure I have enough electrolytes while I'm traveling. These were total impulse buys today at Walmart. I went ahead and bought the keto crack. There are two of us doing keto on this trip, so mostly for her because she's new to keto. Um, the Atkins M&Ms are for her as well, but these skinny syrups are for me for my coffee because I don't like the sugars and sweeteners that they offer on the cruise. Plus one fun one for some soda water in case I want a bubbly drink. I never leave home, travel or not, I'm without my Redmond's real salt. I've never tried the carnivore crisps, but I went ahead and got it because I thought it might be kind of crunchy and serve as like a chip kind of crunchy different texture. However, y'all know I absolutely adore my carnivore snacks. Yes, they're competing brands, but they serve different purposes. Pork loin and brisket are the fattiest, and I know I'm probably going to need some of that. And they're delicious and filling. It could serve as a meal, like the whole bag. I also went ahead and splurged. I don't usually like four net carb or three net carbs for a treat, but we are on vacation, right? So I went ahead and picked up the Slim Fast Keto Bombs. This is the cookies and cream, so it's more dessert like. They're good. I have a hard time eating three net carbs for like something like this, but it'll be good. I do like the lemon drop. These are absolutely delicious, and I believe it's two net carbs. And then the Walmart brand, I don't know if these are any good. They didn't have the Slim Fast ones. I do like the chocolate mint. That'll be kind of like dessert. My Ultima, it's kind of like Gatorade, but keto friendly. Ultima is delicious. And then this was a new find. Y'all, this is just total impulse. It's going to be delicious for like a tasty treat when everybody else is having dessert, maybe with a cup of decaf at night. I don't know, but it's going to be good. Like I said, there are two of us, so this is a lot to take on a cruise, but there's two of us. The keto chows are all mine. The treats and snacks are for my daughter and me. And oh, I do have this little compartment thing. This has flaky salt on top because I am very particular about my salt, especially on like a steak. This adds a little bit of crunch and texture. Then I have the middle one, sorry, is Redmond's. That's their coarse salt. And then on the bottom is my own electrolyte mixture that I make. And let me show you what's in there. I do equal parts. Here it is. I just love the flavors together of Perfectly Keto daily electrolytes. I believe this is black cherry. And then I like ah, the Redmond's Relight. which this one is lemon lime. And those two mixed together are absolutely delicious. And then I add the MSM Pure coarse flakes. There's just a little bit of extra goodness in my drink. So I usually have one of those every day. And so, like I said, I got lazy and I hate mixing them up individually every time I want to drink it. So I just pre blend it. So this just sits in my pantry all the time and I just scoop it out. And I think that's it. My shaker bottle, keto crack. Of course, I will never ever leave home without my keto chow, some meat snacks, and some Slim Fast fat bombs. Y'all, I'm gonna eat well. Like I said, I don't plan on cheating at all. It just makes me sick if I do, and so this will help me stay full and nourished and to make sure that I have everything I need while we're traveling on a ship out of the country with no access to any grocery stores. There you have it. If you have any questions about anything, I'm happy to answer. If I have links for stuff, I'll go ahead and put them down below. Like I have an affiliate link for keto chow and carnivore snacks. I'll link to the cups that I use, that kind of stuff. Oh, and my electrolytes. Those stay in my purse at all times. Anyway, I'm looking forward to it, and I'll show you in another video how I mix up my keto chow on the go when I don't have access to my kitchen. So there you have it, just a little bit of comfort and peace of mind for me. That way I know that no matter what, I know I can eat and I'll be okay and I'll stick to my plan. I don't really have the desire to cheat anymore. It's been 2 years. I feel great on this diet and I really have no desire to cheat, but I want to make sure that I have enough food. The airplane's coming in, so I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, leave any comments, any questions below. Bye, guys.